it is a problem if your co-actor who's playing a very pivotal part and is because the camera catches like this, it's merciless, right? You cannot cheat camera. No one is that good an actor. So you understand what the other person is trying to do, and that's a little sad.
If you're good friends, if you are friendly with each other, if you have that camaraderie off camera, it really translates well. So I guess in my case that worked very well with camera.
जैसे मैंने कहा, शादी हो गई, आपके बच्चे हो गए, तो अच्छा अब तो आप काम नहीं करेंगे यार, आपको रोल्स अलग मिलना शुरू हो जाएंगे. अभी आप को-एक्टर्स थे, अभी आपको मदर का रोल मिलेगा. Suddenly
you are feeling absolutely down and low. If something doesn't work, they'll pep you up, and at the same time when something works brilliantly, they'll also give you a relief. लोगों को बहुत अच्छा लगा होगा, but you are not that good. So there is scope for an improvement.
Well, it's always a treat to watch two equally talented actors come together for a project, and who better than Pratik Gandhi and Yami Gautam to give us Dhoom Dham. Hi you guys, welcome to Free Press Journal. How have you been?
Thank you.
very
All
much
well,
for
thank
having
you.
us. We are really excited actually.
You know, we watched the trailer inside and the energy was just so fresh because we have been waiting for something like this. Like, we have seen a lot of action entertainers, but this is something different. This has a lot of masala, action, fun and comedy as well, and I hope to see some romance, which we do see in bits and pieces. But you tell me, when the first time when the script, you guys heard of it and there was, a discussion, what was going on in your mind? Because I think this script is so fresh, almost every actor would want to be a part of a film like that.
My process is very simple. I read a script, and whatever is my first feeling, I stick to it. And if it's a yes, it's a definite yes. If I feel I'm not sure, I don't try and convince myself I should do a film. Maybe I'm not the right person. But this one was hands on, a caps lock, block letter, yes, in every perspective. I thought this is again one of a kind rule. Again, we'll get to do something which I haven't done before, something which I can't even think of remotely me being in any way near Koil Chadda at all.
Yeah.
And this is kind of as we usher into this new era of the new age modern cinema and the role of the modern female actor in today's time. I thought this is definitely one of those characters which make it to that list or make it to that to that table. So I thought hands down this is a role, as I think you said it rightly. I'm sure it's not, you won't turn it down.
Yeah.
So I'm happy it came my way.
Lovely.
Yeah,
What about you?
it's absolutely same with me too. In fact, I read the script,
Yeah.
and I got intrigued and excited about the script and the character in the world. It's a story of one night that everything goes wrong with the newlywed couple. And then I met Rishabh, the director. I wanted to know his take also, how he sees the world. And of course, because I guess Aditya wrote this, he started writing this in 2014, and since then he had multiple versions of it. So Aditya was absolutely clear, but he was not directing.
Yeah.
He said, I'm not directing, Rishabh is directing. So I met Rishabh and I wanted to understand his take on it. When I knew Rishabh as a director, I had seen his work. So that also worked very well with me, the way he said that this is how the characters and the world in his mind. And then when I got to know that Yami is doing it, so I said this is the perfect thing.
Yeah. The two of you, as I mentioned in my intro, you two seem as somebody who's very secure, and of course you all are talented actors, and I have heard so many actors say that we feed off each other's energy on set. But I've also seen some people say that, if my co-actor is insecure or is just wanting his or her screen space, then the entire flow is sort of just goes haywire. How were you two, and were you feeding off each other's energy as well on set?
Our characters are such in the film
Yeah.
that you will see throughout the film that this is what Veer and Koel actually are doing in the film, and that also worked very well for us. So, and if you are if you are good friends, if you are friendly with each other, if you have that camaraderie off camera, it really translates well. So I guess in my case that worked very well with Yami.
And he's treated us with some scrumptious Gujarati food. Oh God. And I'm like, now it's time for me to get back to my fitness, and I hope Pratik's not got that Gujarati food because I'm going to wipe it off clean, those plates. And I keep saying, very nice, very nice, very nice. How na, but I don't think I end up sharing much with others. Today also I was looking for dhokla somewhere.
There was dhokla for us. We
But
had
it never reached me.
Oh.
It got finished. So absolutely, I mean, what a joy it was working with Pratik. And you meet, you know, I'm sure by this time Pratik and I, we worked with all sorts of actors with different temperaments, actors with different backgrounds, actors with different school of thought and preparation. So kind of you experience, you know, come from a place where you come from, that let everyone be how they want to be.
Yeah.
I would never get in anyone's space. You know, give them that space that they want. Yes, it is a problem if your co-actor who's playing a very pivotal part and is because the camera catches like this, it's merciless.
Yeah.
Right?
You
You cannot cheat camera. No one is that good an actor. So you understand what the other person is trying to do, and that's a little sad. That's a little sad because then the whole joy of coming together and trying to create a film and not a project. I don't think we've made a project.
Yeah.
We made a film. Film बनानी है, picture बनानी है, लोगों को मजा आना चाहिए. और वो तभी, and it's not about cracking some jokes all the time कि हम बहुत हंसते रहे. नहीं, stress भी होता है set पे, बहुत challenges भी होते हैं, अलग-अलग तरह के होते हैं. Not every content is for everyone to hear.
Yeah.
Is for public to consume, right? There's a process that everyone goes through, and but you sail through it. You will sail through it when you know everybody that we're working with one intention. कि यार कैसे भी scene अच्छा बन जाए, काम अच्छा होना चाहिए, कुछ भी पीछे हो रहा है, it doesn't matter. What comes on screen, that is what is the most important thing. And he's I'm sure if you'll ask his other co-actors also, I'm sure they'll have the same things to say, that he's a brilliant co-actor, someone who's so patient, someone who's so giving, someone who'll be like, थोड़ा आप ऐसा, you know, करके देखें, थोड़ा आप ऐसे करके देखोगे, हाँ, आप don't worry, don't bother, चाहे, you know, I still remember I was riding this bike, Harley, and he's sitting behind me. मैंने कहा, मैंने ना नहीं सीखी. He said, I could see the little gulp. Very good. बहुत अच्छा है, अच्छा चला रही है. But I saw his feet somewhere ready कि अगर मुझे कहीं पैर रखने पड़े, I'm ready. Don't worry.
But she smartly said it when the camera was about to roll.
Oh.
So the expressions that you will see in the film are genuine.
घबराने वाले.
Because मुझे ऐसे भी घबराना था.
हाँ, और रियल में भी.
So I'm like, पहले नहीं बता दी, he'll not sit only me on the bike. But so you know that you should not have the fear of being judged or be conscious of anything on set. You have to be uninhibited. Only then you can give that kind of uninhibited performance where मैं कैसी लग रही हूँ, मैं इस एंगल से क्या लग रही हूँ, मैं वो क्या कर रही हूँ. No, when you're performing a character, you are that character, and you don't make that character alone. Your co-actors, everyone makes you that character around.
That is so true, and it's so important for every actor to realize this. Not just the lead pair, everybody around you, everybody,
your
because
ensemble,
even the supporting cast
your
is so
ancillary
important.
cast is so important. I come from a film, made a debut with Vicky Donor, where it was about all of us. Every character from nurse till that compounder in Anuji's in clinic, to Dolly Ji, to his Dadi, everybody was so important. Even the neighbors part, everyone.
Yeah, because if the world doesn't work, if you don't believe in the world, one character cannot do any magic. That will never work for you. If the whole world works for you, and that world can only work if all the characters, right from one scene actor to the central character, everybody.
Ejaz has done such a good job in a film. बहुत अच्छा काम किया उन्होंने एजाज ने. तो और सभी ने, and not just the actors, your technical crew, the music of the film is so crucial. Clinton and Bianca, they've composed, such a seasoned music composer, and I assure you will love the music.
I'm sure I'm already loving it. I watched the trailer, I was like, wow, bring it back. Like
No, we don't have that in the film. They're all original tracks, barring one track, Sadke Sadke. Rest are all original, and you have your romantic track, you have your fun Punjabi
Wow.
track, you have मतलब आपको खुद मजा आना चाहिए अपनी फिल्म के गाने सुनने
Of
का. मुझे
course.
कई बार ऐसा भी होता है कि नहीं
हाँ.
सर,
हाँ.
you know, they are like, अरे क्या बात है, कितना अच्छा म्यूजिक, in your heart you like, यार वो बात नहीं बनी, but you don't say it then, that's too late by the time it's reached, you have to perform the next day. So with this film, we've been through the journey from start to finish. So I'll guarantee you, like a fantastic music album.
Lovely. Can't wait to watch it. But you know, in Cinema Yummy, we have come a long way. Earlier, I used to remember actresses used to say that we have just been kept in a film like an eye candy, and we don't have much meaty roles. Today, we see actresses like you are proving everybody wrong who said or who maybe thought that actresses alone can't carry a film ahead. But even today, when you sort of are getting ahead in your personal life, you become a mother, you get married, questions like these get asked to you today. Very funnily, the first question at the press con where I was sitting was that, "Ye aapka comeback hai." I do not believe it at all. We just met for Article 370, and we have been seeing you doing incredible work on on social media. I keep getting updates about you in the media. You're doing films, you're doing promotions. So I do not feel that this is a comeback at all, because you didn't go anywhere. Still, when you become a mum, when such questions are thrown at you, how do you react? Because you have also changed a lot for the industry.
You know, I try not to react. I take a moment and I try and respond. You know, and I think I always feel your work is the best spokesperson. There is nothing better than words, than your work. Everyone knows, I think, about everyone in terms of at least media perception by this time, right? आप कैसे अपने आप को कैरी करते हैं, आप किस तरह की फिल्में करते हैं, आपका पीआर क्या है, आपकी क्या इमेज है, आपका क्या परसेप्शन है. आज के टाइम में सब कुछ, everything has comes with a price point, right? So there is no end to it. What you want to create for yourself. My idea of my professional life is very simple. It is my work. It is my films that you see me and the roles that I portray. Are they taking me ahead in life or not? Are those films doing well? The producers or the director who's entrusted me with such a important responsibility, was it worth it or not? Is my audience invested in the kind of films I'm doing or not? Am I making an audience for myself or not? So these for me are more important questions. Rest, बाकी सारे ये जो questions हैं, धीरे धीरे ये भी अपने आप कम हो जाएंगे. I think consistent, जब कोई चीज़ नई होती है ना, तो वो लगता है कि अरे ऐसे कैसे, क्योंकि एक टाइम पे जैसे मैंने कहा, शादी हो गई, आपके बच्चे हो गए, तो अच्छा अब तो आप काम नहीं करेंगे यार, आपको रोल्स अलग मिलना शुरू हो जाएंगे. अभी आप को एक्टर्स थे, अभी आपको मदर का रोल मिलेगा. Suddenly, this is what I've heard from some of the biggest names back then. But आज ऐसा नहीं है. So it also depends, मैंने अपना करियर किसके बेसिस पर मैं बना रही हूँ. Am I only relevant because of the way I look, because of the way I appear, because of the way I'm photographed, or is there more to me? So if there's more to me, then that is where all the questions and the line of thought will also be directed in that sense. So now that's on me to be consistent. I cannot do that in one film, then again do something else in 3 films, which is out of line. This is not the pattern she was following. You know, I have to be consistent in my work. I have to be consistent in my choices to be able to make even more stronger path for even more future generation to come, where this question does not exist anymore.
I know. How important, according to you, is also to have a supportive partner who believes in your ideology, your mindset, and, you know, respects that as well while you guys grow together. Because, of course, Aditya is also in the same field as you. Both of you are cinema lovers. How do you guys balance it out and take it ahead?
We don't overanalyze anything. We just love and respect each other for who we are. And that if someone, when someone asks me, especially it's a Valentine's Day release, one of the most common questions which will come, what is love? I don't know how to define love. It's an emotion where you feel it or you don't feel. When you feel it right, you know that's love. And I think one of the most important elements in that is respect. He respects me a lot, and I respect Aditya. It's absolutely mutual. I've seen him, how he carries himself, as how he conducts himself as a person, as a director from Uri days till now, his process, his approach towards the way he treats everybody. It's not that it's something else for camera, it's something else behind the camera. It's the same. And that is what reflects also in his work and in his aura. And I didn't even realize unless someone puts in, right, tells us, aapko almost it's going to be 4 years of marriage. I don't realize it at all, because I don't think we do, because we don't talk about it. I mean, it's almost like because I'm so comfortable with him. We're so comfortable with each other that there's no need to underline anything. Silences also work. So even if he's in a room, he's maybe watching cricket and I'm doing something else, that's absolutely okay. It's okay so it's the silences, that comfort in those silences, which I think make you feel that, yeah, that's okay. Like he asked me right now, he was there in the morning and he said, you want me, he had to leave. And he saw my face, he said, you want me to stay? I said, I always want you to stay, but I won't hold you. I know that's your work. And then I heard him in his interviews that it's been 16 years of marriage. 16 is a lot, right? That's 4 square root. Is it correct? Itna maths aata hai? Okay. I'm like, that's phenomenal. Wow. And that speaks so much about your own character. And so it's absolutely, it matters a lot. Agar mere liye there's no stability, at least it again depends from person to person, but mere liye that stability in personal life is very important, to be able to give everything to whatever I have on set, my work. Problems, tensions, kiski life mein nahi hoti, ya koi challenge abhi ho gaya, could be something very small, could be bothering you. But overall, I know there is home. There's someone I can just go back and just talk.
Family works like an anchor, a strong anchor.
Yeah, sometimes there's no solution to anything, or there is. You just want to say it, and that person is listening to you, not hearing, listening. And
just there.
We women, we get to know who's listening and who's just hearing. So that way, I think definitely it's a blessing when you have a partner like him.
Wow, you guys have made me want to get married tomorrow. I don't have anyone to get married to.
Please do, and please play our songs in your wedding. I bet you will.
Done deal. But you also, Pratik, inside someone asked you, shaadi ke laddu wala question. Very respectfully you answered that, I have eaten it and I am very happy and I have enjoyed it. What is that one thing that, I know ki aise ek cheez nahi hoti, I am not married so I don't know, but one thing that has made you be so much in love even after 16 years?
Well, I guess as years are passing by, it is even maturing more. But what works the best in any relationship, as I have understood from my own experiences, the fact that you are there for each other, just there. Baki sab kuch hoga. You are sad, you are happy, you enjoy life. Sometimes you hate everything around you. Sometimes even you hate each other. Sometimes you fight. Everything happens, but everything has to happen together. So that togetherness, I guess, is something that defines love, that defines relationship. और ये जितना होते जाता है ना, उतना और मजा आता जाता है. That because you know that there is somebody who is there for me,
no matter
what. And in all the whole journey, like my wife is also an actor, so scam happened in my life. Life changed for all of us. She's still waiting for that one big thing that should happen to her soon enough. We are in the business of hopes. Kab hoga nahi pata. But that one hope will let you go give auditions every day, let you do perform every day, will let you be happy every day. So, I mean, that's how we have been living together. So, I guess this is very difficult to put in words, but I'm very happy to have a life partner like Bhamini, who understands how it goes and how the relationship should be. And because of her only that this all things, whatever that happened in my life. Baki, the way I have led that selfish life for the longest time, immediately after our marriage, it's very difficult for anybody to hold back.
Wow.
And also to be each other's biggest cheerleaders. I know how happy Aditya gets when something good happens, for me. I may not realize it then. He's the one who makes me realize more that, Yami, Be happy, and it's never about those big gestures that you got me this or I got. It's not about that. These are very small things. It's all in those small gestures and those details, and how just one expression in the eye, as he said, you're there for me and I'm there for you. No matter what, nothing can come between that. Nothing. No, even if we feel differently about something important, but the outcome will never be that, oh, you know, my love or my respect has been affected or it has come down. No, that'll never happen. Not being together is not an option.
Yeah.
And that's the most comforting element, that no matter what, that'll never happen. Not being together is not an option.
And it works both ways.
Yeah.
When you are feeling absolutely down and low, if something doesn't work, they'll pep you up. And at the same time, when something works brilliantly, they'll also give you a reality check. हाँ, ये लोगों को बहुत अच्छा लगा होगा, but you are not that good. So there is scope for an improvement.
Correct.
Immediately आता है वो.
Correct.
उनसे आता है तो पता भी चलता है कि सच है अभी. There is no.
हाँ, और because क्योंकि वो बिल्कुल अकेले में और चुपके से होगा. It's not for everyone.
The most constructive thing. That
Yeah, and that's very important.
Of course.
क्योंकि अक्सर जब आप सब कुछ अच्छा हो रहा होता है लाइफ में, तो वही जो बारीकी, why they say God lies literally in the details. You know, you probably you won't say that to yourself also loud. You'll think, oh हाँ यार इतना सा, वो समझ में आता है. वो पर्सपेक्टिव बहुत ज़रूरी है.
No, that is so true. But I hope with Dhoom Dhaam ऐसे आपको कोई नहीं बोलेगा. Not even your partners, because we all have a very good feeling about it. We watched the trailer twice and absolutely loved it. So this Valentine's Day, we are looking forward to celebrate it with a lot of Dhoom Dhaam. So thank you so much, guys, for joining in, and all the very best.
Thank you so much.